In this video, we'll walk through how to install and configure the StarTech Dock Manager software for our supported smart docking stations, giving IT centralized visibility and control across the network. Dock Manager allows administrators to discover compatible docks on the same subnet, monitor device status in real time, remotely manage ports and power, configure energy policies, and deploy firmware updates all from a single interface. To begin, download the Dock Manager from our website. Launch the installer and follow the on-screen prompts. If required, install the Microsoft.NET desktop runtime, then complete the setup and open the application. On first launch, you'll be prompted to create a secure, case-sensitive alphanumeric PIN between 6 and 12 characters. This PIN enables token-based authentication. After creating your PIN, select the network interface you want Dock Manager to use for device discovery. Dock Manager will automatically scan your subnet using the default IP range. You can also define a custom range if needed. Once scanning is complete, select the discovered devices you want to manage and add them to the dashboard. From the Device tab, you'll see an overview of all managed docks, including how many are currently online or in use. Each device entry displays the dock name, model, IP address, firmware version, serial number, MAC address, and current port and power status. Multiple administrators can use the same PIN on different computers, but only one active session can control a dock at a time. You can filter devices by model, online state, usage status, power state, or firmware version. The search bar allows you to quickly locate specific devices within larger deployments. Selecting a device opens the Device Details panel. From here, administrators can remotely power the dock on or off, enable or disable USB ports, control display outputs, and manage Ethernet connectivity. You can also rename devices to align with internal asset naming conventions and review detailed firmware and chipset information. To manage multiple docks simultaneously, use Batch Control. Select the desired devices and apply power or port configuration changes across all selected docks at once. For inventory tracking or reporting, device information can be exported as a CSV file directly from the dashboard. Under the Settings tab, configure Energy Saving Mode to define how long a dock remains idle before automatically powering down after host disconnection. You can also update your management PIN here to maintain secure administrative access. For firmware management, navigate to the Firmware tab. Import firmware packages downloaded from our website. Dock Manager tracks firmware compliance and shows which devices are up to date. Use one-click upgrade to deploy the latest firmware across all devices, with the option for immediate or deferred updates. To update specific devices or select a particular firmware version, choose Custom Upgrade. All upgrade progress and history are logged, providing visibility for IT change management and audit requirements. With secure PIN authentication, centralized subnet discovery, remote port control, batch configuration, and scalable firmware deployment, Dock Manager simplifies enterprise dock management. StarTech.com, the IT pro's choice for dependable, high-performance connectivity.